This is Activity 3.1 on page 59, Formatting Characters. The file that we'll be using in this activity is titled Team Orientation Editing. You have applied some thematic elements to your presentation, but you're not entirely happy with it. You decide to change the text formatting also. I'm going to start by launching PowerPoint. And from my Start menu, I'm going to select Open Other Presentations. Click my Browse button. And I'm going to navigate to my home drive, PowerPoint Part 1 folder, and we're in Lesson 3, which is titled Performing Advanced Text Editing Operations. I'm going to open that subfolder, and the file we want is titled Team Orientation Editing. Select that and click Open. And before I make any changes to my document, I'm going to do a Save As. And I'm going to update the name of the file to My Team Orientation Editing. Number 3, change the font style of selected text. In the left pane, we're going to navigate to slide number 2. We want to select all of the text in the text box. I'm going to go up to my Home tab, and in my font group, from my font drop-down, we can select any font that we like. I'm going to change mine to Arial. And then we can click outside of the box to deselect it. Number 4, replace all the fonts in the presentation. I'm going to navigate to slide number 3, go up to the Home tab of my ribbon, and in my Editing command group, I'm going to select the Replace drop-down arrow and select Replace Fonts. So this opens up my Replace Font dialog box. And in the Replace Font dialog box, from the Replace drop-down, we're going to choose Corbel. And we're going to replace it with the font that we selected in the previous step. So I chose Arial. So I'm going to make it consistent throughout. Whatever you chose in the last step, you can choose from that drop-down here. Then you can click on the Replace button and close out the dialog box. So that updates all of the text in my document to Arial. Number 5, change the color of the text on a slide. We're going to navigate to slide number 4, and I'm going to select all of the text in my first bullet point. And from my mini toolbar, I'm going to select my font color drop-down. And from the Theme Colors menu, we're going to select Orange Accent 1. Make sure you're selecting the color exactly how it's titled, because on the certification test, when they tell you to select a color, it has to be exactly what they specify. So I'm going to click to apply that to my first bullet point. Then we're going to select all of the remaining text. And on our mini toolbar, we're going to select the font color button. You don't have to select the drop down now. The button has already been applied to that color that I previously selected. Number 6, format text by using the Format Painter tool. With this text still selected, I'm going to go up to the Home tab of my ribbon, and in my clipboard group, I'm going to double-click on Format Painter. I'm going to navigate to slide number 7. And we're going to select all of the text in the bullet list to apply the formatting that we copied using the Format Painter tool. So I'm going to click and drag to apply that same formatting to these bullet points. Then I can turn my Format Painter off by single-clicking on it. Number 7, apply word art to the title text. I'm going to navigate to slide number 1 and select New Product Development Team text. I'm going to go up to the Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab. And in my Word Art Styles command group, I'm going to select my More button to display my gallery. And we can apply any word art style that we want here. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and select Pattern Fill Brown Accent Color 3, Narrow Horizontal Stripe, Inner Shadow. And then I can click anywhere outside of my text box to deselect it. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar and save my updates to my file. And we can leave this presentation file open for our next activity.